My name is Bob Lutz, and I'm from the Green Parrot restaurant in Newtown. And our business is unique just because it relies so much on the service industry. So the cost is going up. Demand is just as great, if not greater, because people want to get out, but the supply is less. So everything is costing more to produce, and plus labor is very difficult, and you have to pay a little bit more for labor to keep them in the game. We've had to redefine our work schedule by turning around and eliminating Monday and doing a half a day on Tuesday just to turn around and take the burden off our back of the house. We operate most days anywhere from 2 to 10 people short, and it's a concern, so you want to turn around and be considerate of the people that are working for you to make sure you're not burning them out. We have 22 restaurants in this little area right here, and they have other options. So it's very important that we make sure our customers are happy and we give them what they want to keep them coming back. And we reinforce that every day. And we also have our manager meetings to make sure that our managers are aware that it's very important for us to stay in the game. I think there's always going to be a need for us. I think there's always going to be a desire for the customer to go to a spot like ours. But it's important that we keep quality and quantity and service to their expectations. So I think there's a market for us. How many of us will be around, I have no idea. But it certainly is changing, and it's going more corporate than individuals. We're 86 out of product a lot, sometimes just because we cannot get it. With the bar, we probably hold 3 times more inventory than we normally do just because we want to make sure we can get that product for the customer's desires. As far as food, you can't afford to do that because that is perishable. So we run out of a lot, and that's okay, you know, as long as we're not throwing it out. And, you know, if we get to the end of the week and we start dropping things because they're not available, so be it. We're focusing more on the P&L every week to make sure that we are profitable or not losing money each week, but we take baby steps every day. We want to make sure that we're profitable this week and then on to the next week. There's not a whole lot of planning for the future because we're taking it week by week, day by day, week by week. I do believe there's always going to be a need for somebody to go out and eat. Where we're headed, where the workforce is, where our economy is, where inflation is, where costs are, I have no idea. I think we have to prepare ourselves for the worst and look at the worst case scenario, and if it's better than what we thought, good for us. If it's not, we have to weather the storm until things get back to normal.